साइंस, टेक्नोलॉजी, इंजीनियरिंग और मैथमेटिक्स के इब्तदाई कॉन्सेप्ट्स को बनाया आसान। STEM।
Take one plastic stick and pass it through a foam cylinder and two foam wheels. Now, paste two plastic links on one of the foam wheels with the help of sticky tack to make eyes. Attach two toothpicks on the middle foam wheel and attach two foam wheels small to make the arms of the robot. Take a foam ring large with hole and fix the foam wheels small into a hole in the center. Now insert the free end of the plastic stick into it. Your robot is ready.